Hey! Today I will show you how to replace Beats Solo headphone damaged headband. I already have same tutorial on my channel, but I considered to make another one with better quality. And here's our patient with broken headband. Very big and typical problem for Beats Solo or Studio headphone models. To do this task, you will need to buy a new headband from eBay. It costs about $10–15. Like for all do-it-yourself tutorials, before we start, typical instrument set should be already prepared. Let's get to work. With Torx screwdriver, unscrew the screws that hold that beautiful metal with Beats logo and take it off. Do the same on the other side by taking off the protector. When it's done, take off the gray plastic by sliding it upwards. As you can see, it's freely possible to get to headband arch pins. And do the same on the other side. Then carefully take off the cushion pad, like very carefully. You'll need it for the new headband. Then with a screwdriver take off the old headband, but carefully by not damaging the connecting wire. And here's how it looks with a headband. Of course, do the same for the other side. When it's done, it should look like this. It's time to start the most important part. Embed headband arch pins in the new headband, but again carefully. Then with a screwdriver squeeze them to the end from both sides. And of course, do the same on the other side, but very carefully, like very carefully. When both sides are attached to the new headband, check if everything functions how it should, and then sequentially put both sides back together. Attach back the protectors. Then Beats metal caps. Then embed wire back to its place. All it's left to do is to attach cushion pad and cushion. And here's the result. Repaired Beats Solo headphones with a brand new headband. But I'm warning you that reserve headband from China will have a little bit different color. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like for 100 years of luck. Subscribe and comment if you managed to very carefully fix your Beat. You can also send your photos from repairs to my Instagram.